Welcome back to the Code With Me video for Chapter 7. In this video, we'll be covering different sections and outlining with advanced section modifications and code formatting with activities 7.14 and 7.15. First thing I want you to do is I want you to open up the Chrome Web Store by going to chrome.google.com/webstore. If it takes you to a different URL that still has the first part in it, you can go ahead and go to that. If you don't have Chrome open, please open it. That way you can go ahead and add this extension. I haven't checked whether or not this is in Firefox because, well, we're working with Chrome. If you're using Internet Explorer or Edge, please open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. This works on Mac and Mac, Windows, and Linux. Once you're there, go ahead and go to the search box right here. It may be a little different once you're watching this video, and type in headings map. Press enter. That should take you straight to this extension right here called headings map. That should show an H with a slash in it. Go ahead and add it to Chrome. Add extension. And then once this little green bar has been added right here, and this button says rate it, that means that you now have it installed, which is a good thing because we're going to be using that exact tool right now. If you take a look at the top corner of Chrome, it should give you a little H with the slash. Your position may look different than mine. If it doesn't show up, then you may need to right click, manage extensions, and show in your menu. If you don't know exactly how to do this, you can Google it or you can send me an email. I'll try to guide you through it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is click that actual icon. If you're clicking on the icon and nothing comes up, that is because this actual extension may not work on everything that you're actually going to be loading. It does not work on local files, and that's just the way things have to work. But if you want to view other items, such as the Wikipedia entry on penguins, you can click it and you can see that the actual hierarchy of the page has been broken down. Instead of H1, H2, H3, it's now just telling you 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, etc. This tells you how the different items on the page break down. For example, we go to evolution. It takes us straight to evolution, and you can see this is an H3 header, or heading, header, and then you have H4 below it. Do we have any H5s? We do not. HTML5 outline. You can see that this actually tells you that the actual document header is H1 with penguin, H2, H3, etc. So you can either have the straight numbers or you can have the HTML5 outline. Once you're done with this, you can click the X with the circle to close the actual extension. And that's pretty much it for this extension. It should give you a better idea about how to use things and identify the different heading elements. That's actually going to be it for this video. It's pretty much just an overview of how that extension works. We're not modifying the code over the page at all, but we will be modifying it once we get into activity 7.15. So until then, if you have any questions, please hit me up on Twitter or send me an email, and I'll answer pretty much any question I get.